This is Kitolity, a growing set of over 40 free private tools for your everyday tasks. No installs, no sign-up, no clutter. Just open the site and get to work. Document, image, developer, and everyday tools all in one place. Most of them run entirely in your browser, so your files never leave your device, and they're free to use. Take the background remover, drop in any photo, and the AI erases the background right on your device. Nothing is ever uploaded. Everything is free to start, with no account needed. For the heavier cloud tools, there's an optional pro plan, but you're never forced to sign up. And every tool comes with a short, honest guide, so you always know exactly how it works. That is the whole idea behind Kitolity. Browser tools that keep your data private, and cloud tools that tell you exactly what they send. 40 plus free tools, no sign up. Try them today at Kitolity.com.